Alright guys, in today's video we are gonna see that how to change keyboard in Android. So without wasting any time, let's start. So first of all, you have to go to the Play Store here. Once you type Play Store, you have to go and type here keyboard. Once you type keyboard, after that you can see there are a bunch of keyboards. So let's say I'm downloading this one. You have to wait for it. Once it's get downloaded, you can see the open option here. Okay, so as it's downloaded, so we can click on open now. Once it get finished, okay, so you have to click on open. After that you have to click on activate fast kit typing keyboard. Okay, you have to click on this and type okay, and you have to open it. Okay, like from here, type okay. So now we have to go back there and select the second one option. Once you select it, you have to switch it to the fast typing keyboard. Okay, so as you can see, it's almost done. I will show you that it's working or not. So as you can see, it's 100% working. So that's how you can change the keyboard. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, so please like the video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. Thank you so much.